Hi everybody, Cindy Skolicki with On Point, bringing you your message mentorship moment. Today, I want to ask you a question. Are you a person who thinks to talk in a meeting, or do you talk to think? It's important that we just identify which place you fall in these categories. If you think to talk, that means that you are more reserved and you sit back in meetings and collect information and reflect. And then when it's time for you to talk, you're ready to roll and you've got your items gathered in your mind. That's thinking to talk. If you're a person who talks to think, which I would suggest is most people and most of our clients, it means that you talk in order to get your thoughts out and to see where they lead you, and other people watch you think. This can be risky, and I just want to bring this to your attention today so that you can identify which camp you fall in. It's okay in certain situations if you talk to think, but you want to be aware of when you do that, where you do that, in front of whom you do that, and why you do that. Also, when other people do that, do you like it? Do you dislike it? And when might you like it or dislike it? Because to be honest, sometimes it's helpful to hear how someone thinks through an idea. But if it's constant and it's the only way they participate in a meeting, it can become wearing and draw energy from the meeting and from us. So that's all I want you to do today is identify for yourselves and hit reply. Let me know. Are you someone who thinks to talk and is more reflective? Or are you someone who talks to think? And you might want to consider ways to bring that to bay and think about being more concise and borrowing some of the behaviors from a person who thinks to talk. That's your tip for today. Hit reply and let me know which camp you fall into. Make it a great day.